I will try to show you my first magic trick I learned 20 years ago. The instructions say that I have to stand up with a card fold in four and point at a person. User, name any card that you want. Two of hearts. I've been doing for 20 years and it never worked. No, really, I would like to show you. It's 20 years doing this and never worked because try to guess a card is impossible, but more impossible is try to catch a thought into the air. Look at this. Two of hearts. Thank you so much.
And if you want, also cards. 37. Portugal. Thank you very much. Precisely. The three of hearts. Well, here I have 52, but in this cup I have only one paper. Three of hearts.